OMG. This S2K is looking ridiculous. I cannot actually fathom what I'm seeing here. The guys here at Next Level have started to put the body panels onto the chassis, and oh my word, this thing looks ridiculous. Oh my gosh, I actually can't believe what I'm seeing it. I'm seeing this now for the first time together for the first time ever, and this car has just been painted and all the carbon bits now have come on. Brake ducts, carbon brake ducts, the front splitter which goes onto the front of the bumper here, the air ducts there for the radiators in there, brake ducts. Oh my gosh, I just can't believe the fitment is perfect. I mean, look at this. It's just, the lines are just so straight and neat and perfect. And just check out this fitment. It's just amazing. I mean, even the doors, the carbon doors, fitment is really neat and tidy. Everything is just straight lines. And these carbon flaps here on the side of the fenders. What the actual, look at the size of these things. I just can't. This car is too beautiful. It's absolutely too beautiful for words. Jan is saying that this is the best body kit that he's ever fitted to a car. It's really fitting perfectly. And the trunk, with the carbon trunk, painted in the carbon spoiler, 1.8 meter spoiler. Wow, 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 wow. This thing just looks mad. I can't actually get over this thing. It's just, it's too beautiful for words. I don't know if you're experiencing the same experience and emotion I'm feeling right now, but I can't even. My word. What a car. What a car. I just love the way that the carbon blends in with the paintwork. It came out exactly how I imagined. The purple on that side, the blue on that side, depending on how you stand, the way the light hits the surface. And from the front here as well, this presence of that car. Wow. This is going to be a serious time attack car. This is the best looking S2000 body kit I've ever seen. And now with this paint coat, gee whiz. My goodness. What a stunning example of a S2000. What do you guys think? Tell me a bit about your first reactions to this body kit on this car. I am speechless right now. I actually have no words, and this is my genuine reaction. I've never seen this car yet before, and everything fitted like this, painted. It just looks like everything I have dreamed about. The way from concept to design, to ordering it, to getting it shipped, waiting 2 years for the shipment from Japan because of COVID. My gosh, to see it all now come to reality in real life like this, it's just speechless. Absolutely speechless. Is that thing heavy? Careful of the tail behind you. Fuck me, dude. Holy cow. Oh my god, the color in the sunlight's gonna be so crazy, man. How the fitment on the doors is crazy, eh?
Spot on.
Yeah, it's really good, eh? I just can't get over how it looks, bro. Fucking hell, bro. This thing is so beautiful. This thing is just, I can't get over this, bro. First time in the sun. Wow.
Ik zal Salvatore even bellen, die kan hem meteen ophalen.
Wow. Wow. Look at this thing, man. Holy moly. It's just, it's speechless. I'm speechless. I haven't got a word for this, man. First time Dutchman said was speechless.
That's first time, man.
Yeah, first time that makes him quiet. Oh my gosh.
It's a little quieter.
What the hell?
Oh damn, when you walk here. Oh damn.
Holy shit, dude. I can't get over this. What a presence this car has. What an absolute presence. So soon we're going to do next level racing? Time attack cars?
You can do that.
Oh. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. What a machine. This thing just looks so crazy. I can't get over this. Look at the way the light hits that bumper, man. This is just too beautiful for words. Oh. Yeah, from here it looks like carbon.
Yeah.
You just see the black. It's perfect. It's exactly what you want, you know? Jeez. There's the blue effect. And there's the purple effect. Gee whiz, man. That thing is just so beautiful. Oh, I cannot get over this.